Okay, so this is like the supplies, I guess. It's just non-food items that I got. I'm gonna tell you everything I got, where, why, and things that I already have that I feel like you should need. And I have another video where I show you all the food that I got and things that I think you should get and the best things that are non-perishable. So check that video out, and I'm gonna be just getting right into the video, but I just want to say the little disclaimer is that I did not hoard anything for myself, so please don't say that. And everything that I got from a bunch of different stores. I didn't try to just clear out one single store. And when I did go, I actually got all this, like the toilet paper and stuff, a while ago. So I didn't just go take it and hoard it for myself. But I don't really need to say that because no matter what I say, there's going to be someone saying I did or someone saying I don't. So I know what I did and I know what I'm doing is right. So. And also, like, if somebody asked me if they really needed some, I'm not gonna say no, so I really don't care. I mean, toilet paper is the least of my concern, honestly. Like, I'll just shower or use towels. I don't care. So anyways, food and water is my concern for my family. But let's just start right here. So I got 2 packs of these from Walmart. I got these for a lot of different things. For cleaning, I use these for cleaning a lot, but I also got them just in case the worst comes to worst and we run out of toilet paper. And I don't care if that's disgusting because that's life, and that's what people back in the old days, what do you think they did? So that's what I got these for, just for whatever we want. If we need them, I'm gonna open them, but right now I do have a pack that I use to clean, so I'll just keep these closed unless I really need them. And let's talk about the Lysol for a little bit because I know everybody was going crazy over that. I was never able to find any for a good while, but I went to Walmart at 10 at night because I was not able to find anything. Well, okay, so my Walmart closes at 10:30 or 11, I believe, and I went at 10. There was a decent amount of people, but anyways, they were just taking out the boxes with all of them. They hadn't even put anything out yet, and I saw the boxes, so I grabbed some for myself. And the reason I have these is because I saw these first and I didn't think there was going to be any of these, so I just grabbed them. And then when I got the wipes, I didn't want to take more than 2 because I know other people need them, so I was like, I'll just take these and these 2 because I don't need that much. And then the spray, there was plenty of boxes, plenty, so I got 4. I'm sure people got way more, but I only took 4, so I feel like that is not hoarding. I'm going to be using them. I'm not going to be selling them. I'm not going to be hoarding them just to keep. So then let's talk about the medicine last because I'm going to be telling you guys what I got and what it's for. And I'm also, like I said, I'm telling you everything where I got everything just in case you need to check if your store has it. So all the Lysol products and the towels, Walmart. I got shampoo because I'm almost out and I'm not going to be going out. Like I said in my other video, I will not be going out past today. I'm in California and it's kind of bad here. So I got this big thing which will last me a month, more than a month. And then and I wanted to say, like, this is one thing that I literally forgot, but somebody said it on, like, their Instagram, I think, and it reminded me, so that's why I wanted to put it in here, is if you're a girl, obviously you need this, so either tampons, pads, if it comes down to it, like I said, I'm sure everybody has a towel or something. You're gonna have to use your clothes, sorry if you're not able to get any, but yeah, so make sure that you have these. These will last me a good while because these will probably last me 2 months or probably more than that. I usually say, yeah, over 3 months supply. This will last me like probably 3 months, which I already have some actually. So if somebody around me needs them or something, I have those. Those are also from Walmart, and then the toilet paper and the paper towels are from the Dollar Tree. So I wasn't able to find toilet paper or paper towels anywhere, but I went to the Dollar Tree and they had a bunch. So I only got what I thought we needed, which was 4 packs of the toilet paper, and each one has 4 rolls. And I also got it because I do have, like, my dad come over here, and then if anybody like my mom or them need some, I'm fine giving them some, but I'm obviously not hoarding it. I mean, I needed toilet paper anyways, so That's how much I would usually buy. I buy the pack from Costco, but I wasn't trying to go there, so I'm like, I'll just get that. Toilet papers, I mean, sorry, paper towels, I got 4 of them. Paper towels I'm not really worried about because like I said, I use those to clean up things and do things. I use the rags. So I just got 4, which I usually get way more than that at Costco, but I just thought that was fine for me. I definitely don't need any more, which I already felt like that was kind of a lot. I only needed 2, but I was just like, I'll just grab 4. So those are from the Dollar Tree, and then 2 packs, the 2 packs of tissues right there are from the Dollar Tree. Then I got flushable wipes. These are the wipes that we use. We get these every time we run out. We use these wipes, so I didn't get them in replace with toilet paper or anything. I use those for my daughter, and those are from Walmart. And then I got 2 things of bowls, and they each come with 24. And then I got this giant thing of plate. The plates is from Walmart, and the bowls are from Aldi. I got these just in case. I know it sounds bizarre, but I don't know. I don't know what could happen if the water goes out, if something, I don't know, okay? If I get sick and I can't wash the dishes, then there you go, that's your dinner. So I just got those, and that's everything except the medicine. So now let's talk about the medicine, which I'm gonna talk about these 2 first because I got these from Walmart. So I just got this little first aid kit just in case. I really don't know what for, but just in case we need it. So it comes with 2 cleansing wipes, 4 gauze pads, 2 bandages. Well, it comes with 6 bandages, but 2 are different sizes. And then I wasn't too worried about band-aids because I got this emergency drink. There was only, this is like there was 2 left, and the other one was, I don't know what the flavor was. It was like raspberry or something. So I got these for us to start drinking. So yeah, to help boost immune. And then I went to CVS because I wasn't able to find cold medicine anywhere. Like, it was completely sold out. So I went to CVS and I was able to get everything. So I got this for me and Ivan. This is all in case we get sick, by the way. So cold and flu. I got daytime because I'm a little wuss, and I will literally, like, the nighttime I'll pass out and I'll be like knocked out, and I really don't like that because I have to take care of Vivian and she wakes up in the middle of the night. So yeah, I just got daytime because I'll be fine with that. And then so the daytime, this is basically a NyQuil, by the way, just knockoff, but it's the same exact thing. And then so that, and these are the cough drops that I get for us, me and Ivan, and these are for me and Ivan. So these 2, I actually haven't looked if Vivian can drink this, but I will look into that. And also, I just want to say this is not everything that I think you need or should have. That's why I'm going to be putting a list, because I already have certain things. Like, I have ibuprofen, I have nasal spray, and I have these other type of cough drops that are actually like pretty medicated, and they work better than those. So I already have certain things. And then so for Vivian, I got Tylenol, saline spray, which is basically nasal spray, but for kids. So this should be easier for her to use. And then I got Vapor Rub for all of us. I've never used it on Vivian. I'm kind of scared too, so I think this will just be for me and Ivan. But we have a humidifier, and we have the strips that you put inside. And then I got these for Vivian. They're basically cough drops, but they're lollipops. So okay, so that's everything that I got, food and supplies wise. Everybody stays safe and healthy during this time, and remember, the best thing is to protect others, but also to protect your family. So stay inside and don't go out unless you have to, and take precaution. Don't take this as a joke, because it's not funny and it's not light. Even if you can recover, why would you even want to go through that, put your family through that, or possibly infect somebody else that cannot recover? So just remember that and stay safe. Bye.